right. Oh, there's my recipe for ginger ice cream. I do keep saying I'm gonna make that one day. Best ice cream I ever had with a light fruit sauce on it. Okay, we're here to talk about APA today, not food quite yet. When you go to Word, open Word, you'll see a screen similar to this. We're normally used to opening a blank document, but we're not today. We're going to actually do APA. And why APA? This is really one of the more important things I'm going to teach you this year that you'll actually for sure use in college. Because other than English, when you have a science class and social studies class and they ask you to write a paper, they're going to expect it in APA format almost undoubtedly. That's we get told that by students when they come back to us, and they've just taught MLA, so that's why now we like to introduce APA. So you'll be ahead of the game. You can even help some of your classmates next year probably that don't know how to do this because you were an eco warrior and learned how to do this. Okay, so APA right here, it says it doesn't know what it's looking for, but it does. Yes, you know what I'm looking for here. Oh, you know what it is? I want a template. Let's see. Maybe I'm not at the right page for a template. New, here we go. APA. So I might have to do new up there. Hit search. Okay, now we've got three options that pop up. It's the middle one. You might think it's the first one. It looks like it's most complete or newest, but this is actually the one we want. Click on that, click create. You can do this every time you do an APA paper. Oh yeah, ginger ice cream keeps coming back. Now this is the title page, and this is where APA is a lot different than MLA. It's got a separate title page. The body doesn't even start or the text until here, where you've got an abstract, and then you've got the body of the paper. So what we've got right here is our title that we want to insert right here. So I'm going to make up a title name here, and I'm going to make it a long title because that's going to help illustrate the difference between the long title and the shortened title that MLA accounts for. So we are going to, let's see, attracting monarch butterflies um, with a variety of, see how it didn't center right there automatically? And look at that. This is one of the things that there's two little tricks that don't work smooth as far as just copying over, typing over what's already here in the template. This is the first one of two. This right here is a little bit off center, and we need to fix that. That's not right, and some professor could dock you some points for it. So you see up here, I just have to move this. Word will notoriously do this. It'll probably do it for you when you try to do an APA paper. So variety of pollinator. Okay. Now, author name, title, that's going to be easy. You put your name. If you were a doctor, you would omit that at this point. Institutional affiliation is going to be the same for all of us. St. Thomas More Catholic High School. They prefer, in almost all times, to not spell out saint. So the ST period is really the preferred way the school has to do it. You'll see it sometimes spelled out, but we'll keep it this way. So now I've got the title right here. The only thing I need to fix right here, this I can actually do away with. If you were getting funding from someplace, you would need to put it there. That's full disclosure, being transparent, and an author note. We're not going to use that, but if you ever have a need for it, they have it in the template. So we've got the title page started. You see it automatically puts the number one up here, but we need a running head. This is a shortened title. See, it's already telling you what you need, up to 50 characters. So I need to double click in here in the header space, and I need to keep this in all caps. You can put caps lock down, and I'll have my shortened title. Let's see, attracting monarch butterflies with a variety of plants. See, I went over right there. So what I'll probably end up doing, let's see, attracting monarchs. I'm going to do monarchs instead of butterflies with a variety. It's close, but you would want to count those 50. It didn't like it when I tried to drag it into the checking. Well, maybe it will this time. If I do the review into a word count, And characters, oh, okay, I did like this. So it is 44, so I'm within the bounds. Last time I tried to do the whole paper. So that is a way to check that you made that 50 minimum. Now, this is where you have to do the second thing, that it's not going to just be as simple as typing over. Attracting monarchs with a variety of plants. Hey, it's improved. It actually did it correctly. If it doesn't do it correctly, you'll click into this header, type out the way it should be. See, without the words running head, still all caps. You can copy and paste, but I'd advise against it. Copying and pasting sometimes in these templates makes things go wacko in places you don't want them to go. So it's better just to type it out. It's not a lot of typing right here. And it's going to be the same exact pages 2 throughout the end of your paper. All caps, your shortened title without the words running head. That's only on the first page, the title page. So it did it for us. That's all we're going to do right now. We're going to keep it simple. We're going to slowly build one element a week of APA papers, and you'll have an assignment to turn in something very simple like this this week. And I'll have a lesson on that to show you how to do that step by step. Enjoy.